Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz in the 360-degree camera world, where Insta360 is making waves with their much-anticipated release, the Insta360 X5. If you're familiar with the Insta360 X4, you know how impressive its 8K footage, AI-driven editing, and portability have been for creators. However, the X5 promises even more revolutionary features that could redefine how we capture immersive content. Let's break down the key upgrades, the competition, and why this camera could be a game changer. Major sensor upgrade, enhanced. Clarity and low light performance. One of the standout features of the Insta360 X5 is its rumored sensor upgrade. While the X4 already boasts impressive 72MP 360D shots and 18MP single-view captures, the X5 is expected to push the boundaries even further. If it adopts a larger 1-inch sensor, this would significantly enhance the camera's low-light performance and image clarity. The bigger sensor would allow for more light to hit each pixel, improving color accuracy and detail retention, especially in challenging environments like night shoots or dimly lit locations. The new sensor could also reduce image noise, ensuring that even in low-light conditions, the footage remains sharp, clear, and rich in detail. For creators shooting in darker settings or capturing nighttime adventures, this could make all the difference. Plus, DJI's rumored entry into the 360-degree camera market with the Osmo 360 is pushing the boundaries of sensor technology, which means Insta360 must step up its game to stay competitive. AI-powered audio enhancements. Clear sound in any environment. While action cameras excel at video, audio quality often falls short. The Insta360 X4 is equipped with voice control, but its onboard audio doesn't quite match the level of a premium microphone. Enter the X5, which might feature AI-powered noise reduction. This technology, similar to what we see in high-end smartphones, could deliver crystal-clear audio even in noisy or windy environments. Whether you're filming on top of a mountain or in the middle of a bustling city, the X5 could ensure that your sound matches the quality of your visuals. This would be particularly appealing to vloggers and content creators who value high-quality sound to complement their stunning footage. Stronger lens protection. Durability meets performance. Insta360's X4 introduced removable lens guards to help protect the exposed lenses, but scratches and cracks are still a risk. For the X5, Insta360 could improve on this by integrating more durable, scratch-resistant lens coatings or innovative protection mechanisms that don't sacrifice image quality. Given DJI's expertise with durable drone cameras, the competition in the 360-degree camera market is heating up, and Insta360 will need to ensure the X5 is both rugged and reliable for those extreme, action-packed adventures. Whether you're scaling mountains or riding the waves, having strong lens protection will give you peace of mind, knowing that your gear can withstand harsh conditions without compromising image quality. GPS tracking for enhanced storytelling. Another rumored feature that would add a unique touch to the X5 is GPS tracking. This tech, reintroduced by GoPro, allows users to record precise location data alongside their footage. For outdoor adventurers and travelers, integrating GPS into the X5 could offer valuable context for their content. Imagine sharing your journey across remote forest trails or coastal hikes, with the exact location data enhancing the storytelling experience. For social media creators, this geotagged footage could be a goldmine, offering a more dynamic and interactive way to share adventures. GPS tracking is quickly becoming a sought-after feature for travel influencers, and the X5 could lead the way in capturing more immersive, context-rich content. Battery life and overheating. Longer sessions, less interruptions. One common challenge with high-resolution cameras like the X4 is managing battery life and preventing overheating. While the X4 delivers excellent performance, extending battery life and improving heat management would make the X5 even more appealing to content creators who need to film for longer periods without interruptions. If Insta360 incorporates advancements in battery technology and better heat-sink designs, we could see a marked improvement in efficiency. Other action cameras like GoPro Hero 13 and DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro have made strides in this area, and it's crucial that the X5 meets or exceeds those standards. Whether you're shooting in the heat of the desert or under the summer sun, an efficient battery and heat management system will keep you rolling through longer filming sessions. The competition, DJI's entry and what it means for Insta360. As the 360-degree camera market grows, competition is intensifying. DJI's rumored entry into this space, with its Osmo 360 camera, could set a new standard for sensor technology and image quality. DJI's expertise in imaging, particularly with their drones, means they will likely push Insta360 to innovate further to stay competitive. The X5 could be Insta360's answer to that challenge, offering not only a better sensor, but also AI-powered audio, GPS integration, and superior durability. For action camera enthusiasts and content creators, this means an even more exciting future ahead, with the X5 setting a new bar for 360 cameras and content creation in general. The rivalry between Insta360 and DJI could push both companies to develop even more groundbreaking features and designs in the future. With its release just around the corner, the Insta360 X5 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting cameras of the year. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a content creator, or just someone looking to capture stunning 360-degree footage, the X5 promises to deliver a host of innovative upgrades. From enhanced image quality with its larger sensor, to AI-powered audio and GPS tracking, it has everything to elevate your filming experience. Plus, with improved battery life and stronger lens protection, it's built to handle even the toughest shoots.